Star of the show coming up next.
Pay attention here. This is lot 654, a 1932 Auburn 12 16OA Boattail Speedster. It is one of only 5 examples certified with an ACD Club certification. It's an ACD Club Senior Award winner, and it has a spectacular correct Concours restoration that was just finished within the last year, and it retains its original chassis, body, engine, drivetrain, suspension, and running gear.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there it is, one of the greatest cars, historically significant, big Auburn, in Auburn, who give $2 million. $2 million. Everybody wants to give 500. Everybody wants to give 500,000. Who gives 6 again? 600,000. 700,000. 700,000. 800,000. 800,000. 800,000. 700 I am bid.
Elliot, I have quickly become a fan of these Boattail Speedsters after we got to drive one up on the block earlier today, I think it was.
Yes, well, I've always been a fan of these, and this one is the belle of the ball, as you could say. This has been the centerpiece car, the show car of this entire event. It's a 1932 Auburn 12 Boattail Speedster, and that 12 denegates that it has a 12-cylinder motor. Most of these were 8 cylinders. This is a very special car, so much so it's one of only 5 that have ever been certified, and it was displayed last year at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. That means it's got the right stuff.
Yeah, you know, I was walking around it earlier with you, and just, I wish people could see it like we got to see it up close and personal. The details
it's
are
stunning.
Impeccable. It really is. I can't wait to see how it does up there on the block.
1,000. I have 850 here seated. 900,000 now. 850 I'm bid. 900,000. At 900,000. 900,000. 875, John. 875, John. 900,000. 900 I'm bid. 925. 950. 925 I'm bid, John. 950. 950. 950. 950,000. 925 I'm bid. 950,000. I have that already. Nope. I have that already. 925, 950,000. At 950,000. At 925 I'm bid. 950,000. Is there anyone else? At 950,000. At 925, I sell, listen to me, I sell the car tonight. The car is in the market and selling tonight at 925. Give 950 and own it. 950,000. You're not in now. I'm in at 925. 950. 950. One of the greatest collectible cars of the era. One of the greatest collectible cars of the era. Going to be sold here tonight. Do not make a mistake. 925. 950,000. If you ever wanted one, at 950,000, ladies and gentlemen. At 925, 950 for the first time. I'll take 940 if it helps you, but do it quickly. Make history and buy the best in the world at 925, 940 for the first time. Second time, third and final time. Are you all done? Sold. Going to a great collection. Going to a great collection. 925,000.